Please welcome the IDP Governor for Western Visayas, Attorney Raymond J. Mercado, for his words as well.
Thank you, Laila. Governor Dindo Macias, our ever-enduring and indefatigable Governor of the Province of Negros Oriental, Attorney Feliciano Shane Bautista, our National President, Attorney Harold Calleja, the able representative of Senator Kiko Pangilinan, my fellow governors of IDP, I would like to call them one by one, the EDP and Governor for Southern Luzon, Olivia Duan, Governor Agistana for Northern Luzon, Governor Ernie Gonzalez from Central Luzon, Governor Bonifacio Balandon from the Bicolandia region, Governor Marcelino from Greater Manila, Governor Evaristo Escalon from the Central and Eastern Visayas, Governor Caloy Valdez from Western Mindanao, Governor Ed Batagan is able to join us today. I also like to acknowledge the presidents of the various chapters who are here before us. I would also like to acknowledge the presence of our past president, the longest serving president of the IDP, Attorney Joel Cadiz, the president of the Quezon City chapter, the largest chapter in the Philippines, Attorney Dodong Soriano, Attorney Ronald Cosolan from IDP Ingat, and of course, the national officers who are here before us, Attorney Alicia Reyes for the Committee on Legal Aid, Rose Reyes, forgive me, Attorney Jimmy Vimar, our Executive Director, our National Secretary, Am Prada, our Presidential Assistant for Chapter Affairs, former Governor Manini Legazpi, and this is the real Alice, the ever lovely, ever beautiful Alice Izara, the Committee of RDCC, where our visiting cases go to. We have the Assistant National Treasurer, Tess Zango, and of course our Deputy General Counsel, the IDP, Tony Williams Augustino. I hope I have not missed anyone. Hosting this convention, the city of gentle people, and with the kind generosity of our provincial governor, Dindo Macias, is indeed a source of great honor and pride. It is the first time in 30 years of the IDP's existence that our province, Negros Oriental, is hosting a convention of legal eagles. It is daunting but truly rewarding, even if I have to lose my voice. I don't know if you're familiar with the sign. Sometimes I wonder why we ever met. Is it only for me to find fleeting happiness but experience eternal pain? Is it only for us to find love but then lose it again? Or is it because there is a big plan for the two of us? I hope that you have experienced true happiness with me. I have done everything humanly possible to love you. And today, as you make your vows, I make my own vow to you. I will love you for the rest of my life. My dear friends, that actually is taken from a love letter of a respondent in a bar discipline case, which eventually led to his disbarment. I think he was not expertly advised by Attorney Tim. Well, our theme for the convention is raising the bar to bar, a call to excellence in the exercise of the legal profession. In the quotation I have just quoted, as I said, the respondent was found to have violated one of the provisions of the Code of Professional Responsibility. This convention, my dear friends, is aimed to sharpen not only our legal skills, but to remind us likewise of our solemn vows as lawyers, the noblest of all professions. Thus, in my capacity as the Governor of Western Visayas region, I welcome you all. Please enjoy and savor every moment you are here. Daghang salamat at may hapon ka natin tanan.
Thank you, Attorney Mercado. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the President of the host chapter, that is the Integrated Bar of the Philippines Negros Oriental Chapter, Attorney Samsudin P. Tahir, for another words of welcome.
The Supreme Court shall raise the standards of the legal profession, improve the administration of justice, and enable the bar to discharge its public responsibility more effectively. Republic Act 1697, an act providing for the integration of the Philippine Bar. Maayong hapon. Today, we gather to start a 3-day affair pursuant to the very goals of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines. We hope this will be a chance for us to renew old friendships, improve camaraderie, update ourselves. On behalf of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines, we extend our warmest welcome to our visitors from the different provinces comprising the IDP Western Visayas region. Welcome to the city of Gentle People and the province of Negros Oriental. Daghang salamat.